is a powerful, general-purpose programming language that allows developers to create a wide range of software applications. It is an extension of the C programming language, providing additional features and capabilities. Here's a breakdown of the key aspects and features of C++. 1. Object-oriented programming, OOP. C++ supports OOP principles, allowing developers to structure their code using objects and classes. Objects are instances of classes, which encapsulate data and functions together, making code more modular, reusable, and easier to manage. Inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation are essential concepts in C++ OOP. 2. Efficiency and performance. C++ is known for its emphasis on efficiency and performance, making it suitable for applications that demand high processing speed and low memory consumption. It provides low-level control over hardware resources, allowing direct memory manipulation and efficient usage of system resources. 3. Standard Template Library, STL. The STL is a powerful library in C++ that provides a collection of predefined templates for common data structures, like arrays, vectors, lists, and algorithms, sorting, searching, etc. It simplifies development and increases code efficiency by providing reusable, reliable, and optimized implementations. 4. Memory management. C++ offers manual memory management through features like pointers, allowing developers to allocate and deallocate memory dynamically. While this gives programmers more control over memory usage, it also requires careful handling to avoid memory leaks or segmentation faults. C++11 introduced smart pointers, like unique_ptr and shared_ptr, to facilitate safer and automated memory management. 5. Compatibility and cross-platform support. C++ code can be compiled and executed on various platforms, making it a versatile language. It is widely used in system programming, game development, embedded systems, and more. 6. Extensibility and compatibility with C. C++ is backward compatible with the C language, meaning C code can be seamlessly integrated into C++ projects. It allows direct use of existing C libraries and APIs, increasing the reusability of legacy code. 7. Abstraction and operator overloading. C++ supports abstraction through classes, enabling developers to hide implementation details and provide a simplified interface. Operator overloading allows custom definitions of operators for user-defined types, making code more expressive and intuitive. 8. Exception handling. C++ provides exception handling mechanisms to deal with runtime errors and exceptional situations gracefully. By using try-catch blocks, developers can catch and handle exceptions, preventing program termination and allowing error recovery. While this summary provides an overview of C++, it's important to note that learning C++ comprehensively requires studying its syntax, rules, and best practices. By mastering its concepts, developers can